Natural disasters. Wildfires. What are wildfires? Wildfires are uncontrolled fires that destroy a lot of land. They happen all over the world. Many occur in the western United States. Hot weather and droughts cause more wildfires to spark. Wildfire risk in the United States. Notice here, the western part of the United States is at high risk for wildfire. How do wildfires form? Wildfires come from chemical reactions between heat, fuel, and oxygen. This is called the fire triangle. Heat is needed to start wildfires. It dries out the land and warms the air. This is the fire triangle. There's heat, oxygen, and fuel. Pictured here is some wood, but notice in this picture over here, fuel doesn't have to be wood, it can be leaves too. Fuel is any flammable material. Plants can be fuel, homes can be fuel too. Fuel helps fires spread. Air supplies oxygen to fires. Fuel and oxygen work together to create more heat to keep fires burning. People cause most wildfires. Campfires and cigarettes are not always put out. These can spark wildfires. Strong winds and hot weather also increase the chances of wildfires. Climate change does too. Wildfire damage. Wildfires hurt people. Many people lose homes. Wind can carry smoke hundreds of miles away. Smoky air is hard to breathe. It can make people sick. Wildfire profile. Name: Camp Wildfire. Dates: November 8th to 25th, 2018. Location: Paradise, California. Damage to property: 13,972 homes destroyed. 4,821 businesses and other buildings destroyed. Damage to people: more than 80 people lost lives. Health concerns due to poor air quality. Schools closed. Wildfire can destroy forests and force animals to move. Fires burn soil and destroy its nutrients. Wildfires put harmful gases in the air. They pollute rivers and water supplies with ash. Down here is a picture of a polluted river. Wildfires can lead to flooding. During heavy rains, the burned ground cannot soak up the rain. Even small rainstorms over the burned area can result in flash floods. Notice here is a picture of a flash flood. Predicting disaster. Wildfires are hard to predict. Fire scientists use tools to help. Fire danger maps provide data about fuel conditions. Weather maps show data about moisture and wind. Down here is a picture of fire scientists collecting data. National Fire Danger Rating System. A low danger level. The fire description for a low danger level is fuels do not catch fire easily. Fires are likely to be small and easy to control. The fire description for a moderate danger level. Fires can start by accident. Fires will likely be easy to control. The fire description for a high danger level. Fires can start easily. Fires can become serious and hard to control. fire description for a very high danger level. Fires will start easily and can become large. Fires will be hard to control. The fire description for an extreme danger level. All fires can start and spread quickly and become large and powerful. Fires can last for several days. To stay safe, listen to the radio and television. Have an escape plan. Roll up car windows and close air vents when driving away. Return home only when it's safe.